This is how life is sent. Let me fill you in, show you how life begins. When shit hits you hard and the trauma prolongs, don't fall flat, just get strong and just live on. This is how life is sent. Let me fill you in, show you how life begins. When shit hits you hard and the trauma prolongs, don't fall flat, just get strong and just live on.
Sitting back, remembering back then, all the good times. Remember way back when we were all just youngsters. We were all innocent, talented and gifted, just trying to get into the biz. Always had dreams of moving out the hood, making more pay. No longer those kids on the street. We came a long way, broke through barriers, made a lot of sacrifices. Many changes in my time. Life is full of surprises. Everything was for the taking. The world is yours. A year ago, I was trying to find studios to record. My hood torn apart from drugs and gang wars. Young brothers getting murdered in front of the corner stores. Some of us lost a lot of loved ones. May they rest in peace. Such a deadly atmosphere in these streets. These struggles are the reason my strength will never be gone. Heavy load on my back, but I must carry on.
This is how life is sent. Let me fill you in, show you how life begins. When shit hits you hard and the trauma prolongs, don't fall flat, just get strong and just live on. This is how life is sent. Let me fill you in, show you how life begins. When shit hits you hard and the trauma prolongs, don't fall flat, just get strong and just live on.
Grinding for a while, this is hard labor. Must be the reason we hated on more than the labors. Right now they don't see, but one day they will embrace us. And whatever won't break us, believe it's gonna make us. I soar through the sky like an eagle, look how I emerge. You can feel all the passion and pain from my words. I see a warrior every time I look in the mirror. Even when I'm gone, they'll avenge my spirit. I've had some proud moments, a lot of heartbreak. I was just a wandering fish inside of a shark tank, but I still found my way. You can't take away my happiness. This is what I live for. All I have is this. Look beyond the frustrations and bad circumstances. With the city by my side, I will never feel abandoned. If perfection had a face, I'd be a spitting image. Here to bless y'all with the gift that I was given.